5 amazing facts about elephants. Did you know elephants are the largest land animals on Earth? They can weigh up to a whopping 7 tons. Elephants are also extremely intelligent, with brain structures similar to humans. They even have incredible memories. Their trunks are not just for show either. They serve as a fifth limb, a sound amplifier, and even a snorkel. Ever heard the phrase, elephants never forget? Well, it's true. They can recognize themselves in mirrors and remember friends from decades ago. Lastly, elephants communicate with rumbles and purrs, some of which are too low for humans to hear. Amazing, right?